Hello, children. Do you remember me? I am your Paulmati teacher. Today, I am going to talk to you values and life skills. Values are basically the principles or the rules that guide our life in the righteous path and do not allow us to do any harm or hurt to others. So, from where do we get these values? Values are the first thing that most children learn from their homes. What is right and what is wrong is something that we see and learn from our parents as well as from our own experiences, and of course, in school from your teachers and friends. Many religions preach values are part of their belief system. So, why are values important to each and every one? Because it is these values that transform us into better human beings. Without knowing and learning moral values, we will not be able to differentiate between good and bad. So, keeping this in mind, our school has taken the responsibility to give our children an education on values every month. The value for this month is power of optimism. What is optimism? Optimism means always looking for the best in any situation and expecting good things to happen. In daily life, being optimistic can make you happier, healthier, and more successful in all that you do. How can you be more optimistic? Here are a few ways to get started. Try to connect more with friends who are positive. Think about all the good things in your life. Don't compare yourself to others. Develop an attitude of gratitude. Give everyone a smile. Think only of the best. Work only for the best and expect only the best. There is a direct correlation between feeling and behavior. Make the best of what you have rather than being unhappy about what you don't have. This beautiful story about making the best of what you have is a wonderful story about a sad peacock. Here is a story for you. Once, a beautiful peacock who was all but dancing on a rainy day. While he was busy admiring his beautiful layer of feathers, his rough voice reminded him of his own weakness. All the joy beaten out of him, he was almost in tears. Suddenly, he heard a nightingale singing nearby. Listening to the nightingale's sweet voice, his own weakness once again became very clear. He began wondering why he was unlucky in such a manner. At that moment, Juno, the leader of the gods, appeared and addressed the peacock. Why are you upset? Juno asked the peacock. The peacock complained about his rough voice and how he was sad because of it. The nightingale has such a beautiful voice. Why don't I? After listening to the peacock, Juno explained, every living being is special in his or her own way. Yes, the nightingale is blessed with a beautiful voice, but you are also blessed with such a beautiful and glittering layer of feathers. The trick is being positive, acceptance, and making the most of what you have. The peacock understood how silly he had been in comparing himself to others and forgetting his own blessings. He realized that everyone was unique in some way or the other and accept what they have already. The same thing is true. You will find people like this even among your friends in school. They don't realize what positive qualities they have, instead, complain, spread negative messages like an infection, and create a negative environment. So, how can you practice optimism in these pandemic situations? Say to yourself often, I am strong. If possible, listen to music at home at a pleasant volume or develop other hobbies and skills. Your positive mood will help protect your immune system, while negative thoughts like peacock have been shown to sadden your immune system and make it weak against viruses. Most importantly, firmly believe that this shall also pass and we will be safe. A positive attitude can really make dreams come true.